No.
You are just, no.
We're not just, we're talking face to face with the people.
Just propaganda.
Thuma kamangda.
अरे एक आदमी कितना छुट्टी के लिए
आप आगे अभी आप लेफ्ट राइट की बातें don't talk about all this what is happening over there. This is just propaganda.
This is the border. There are so many cookies out there. And now I'm asking you the questions very transparency. Tell me what are you going to do for 3 to 4 hours? क्या करना है? अगर इतना टाइम लेना है तो we will understand. But tell me the transparency.
There is no mandate to answer your questions.
That's what. If you cannot answer a question, then we cannot let you pass because without
reason. That's the area. It's a routine patrol which need to be carried. First of all, we are not mandated to answer.
Then you talk to our higher authorities. We didn't have the power to let you go. अब यही तो आएगा. तो ये तो आना है ना. What can I do? They have given us no more patrolling. Then we say that we let them go for 2-3 times. Now they scolded me. Why do you let you go? What authority you have? उसने हम लोग को.
Now they will remove you from job.
Not from job. They will let me go away from this land. Where will I go? जमीन छोड़ने के बोला है. You need to. Why do you let it go? The same thing it will happen to you. So we are saying under negotiation, you talk to our leaders, let the people talk to our leaders, and if they say go, we will. If not, we cannot let it go because they have already given us. You know this thing. Now I'm just letting you show what is it is written in the letterhead. So please let us live peacefully. Please, I'm begging you, let us live peacefully. If you really need it, then please take the permission from our higher authority. If they say yes, we have nothing. And we didn't take 2 seconds, we didn't have a second, we can let you go. But they have already given the authority, no patrolling, no more going. So I didn't say I will not let you pass. Please talk to our higher authorities, and then you finish your conversation, come to us. ये तो होना पड़ेगा. ये तो कितना डर खा चुका है.
I told you earlier only that we will.
That's why we already waited you. They say that what is your reason for going? Now they ask me. The headman asked me. So the things that last time we discussed, it has gone viral everywhere. So now all the Nagas people, they have concern and they say that.
So you have made it viral.
Yes, why not? Yes, why not?
Then you're telling it has gone viral. So you're the one who made it viral, maybe.
That's what we have to discuss. That's what we have to discuss now. They're asking, why are you going? Tell us about.
You're not obliged to answer your questions. Yes.
तुम्हारा जो हम लोग का सवाल पूछ रहा है, अगर तुम दे सकता है वो.
I told you that we need to go. We need to. That's why we are going. That's what I told you.
कितना टाइम लगेगा इसलिए.
I told you. I'll be
3
back.
to 4 hours. It's no.
I will be back.
There is nothing to do. There is nothing to negotiate. We didn't have power. We just talk to the higher authority and come. That is the best because our village headman, these all headman people, they have written us 4 letterhead. Now I'm showing you the biggest for all the Nagas letterhead. There are different from village also. I got the letterhead from this Kampat Kulen Kuno. Oh, they are sending me the letterhead. Now they have given me the letterhead. Once if your village pass it, then all our place will not let them stay at this place. तो हम लोग कहाँ जाएगा? चप्पी यारो है खेदू. हाय अथॉरिटी दी लाखर बच्चे तो माबू होनी चप्पी यारो दी के नंसी चला का पथारो अखोल से क्या अंताना लगे ना तो दी सीजन इराम कितनी क्या है इसमें ना ने जैसी साबुत हो कुछ नहीं. अखोई कन्ना नंगना तो दरकार तादे खतना तो दरकार तादे अदुगी अखोई दी एक तपना ज्ञान ताना अदुम मेशु नेगिदे पथाओ अखोई को पथारा का ज्ञान ताना लेते है मीरा अदुदा याद दी उपाय लेते ना. तो मैं तो हाय अथॉरिटी द वरी सारो है ने अखोई दी पाइते अखोई दी मोनि चप्पी यादे नहा नहीं बेंगो चप्पी याए हैरगा हुजी अने फोन तौरगा अखोई दी चप्पी यादे हाइबनी हैना हुजी खुन मखैना आई चक्खो हाइबनी तो
चल भाई गाड़ी घुमा ले.
आई चक्खो है आई काय चक्खा.
आंटी हो गया बस बंद करो हो गया.
Adunina, please talk with the higher authority and then please you come back. You come suddenly. You
Aru
told me suddenly.
churong le le shop
But that
le
Sunday we waited you eagerly.
Situation chi hi tha dak lai ko.
बात करने के लिए
Macang pai mare chule la ra kan so dak lai ko ashe chene shi na kham pui le to han khabai ta han na sak dak lai ni
सकते हैं
atang karya khache manam
वो भी हम लोग से
khoi
मदद
makam
करेगा, हम लोग
khoi
से वो लोग से मत मांगने के लिए पर सब कुछ अभी हेडमैन का ऑफिस में अभी तो सब कुछ कंकु और नागा से हम लोग को परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा
ta tau re chela ji ishna ma mya thu ta ashi ji han gi ji khai nei kong li bung kuthum bung mi atam chang sa chang bam nau ra jai ta ji nei shinai arai ta ta ma chang rok paim re situation mam tha thu ta ma sa paim re ta ishna ta ta khlan hai re achu chi mik shola